Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a list on ClickUp Space. Maybe you want to organize your tasks and projects into specific categories or workflows. So today I'm going to show you how to create a list on ClickUp Space. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space where you want to create a list. For example, I want to make a list in this space, so simply tap on this plus icon at the right side of the space name. A menu will pop up below, and here, you can now see this Create a List option. Simply tap on it. A new window will appear, and here, you can now enter all the details you want for your new list. First, enter in this field the name of the list. Below, you can change the location, statuses, and the color. For example, I will use the color yellow for this list. Once you are done setting the details, tap on Create to finally generate the list. After that, you now have successfully created a list on ClickUp Space. You can now start to add tasks and organize your project in this newly created list. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a list on ClickUp Space, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a list on ClickUp Space, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.